In today's tutorial, I am going to show you exactly how to automate your billing cycle by setting up recurring sales invoices in Zoho Books. If you handle subscription-based clients or fixed monthly services, setting up recurring invoices is the single best way to save time and ensure you never miss a payment. By the end of this video, you will have a fully automated system that handles your invoicing so you can focus on growing your business instead of chasing paperwork. Before we dive into the steps, if this guide helps you streamline your accounting workflow, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more productivity tips. To get started, sign into your Zoho Books dashboard. On the main interface, navigate to the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen and click on the Sales tab. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Recurring Invoices. This will take you to the overview page where you can manage all your existing schedules. Now, look for the button labeled Plus New located in the top right corner and click it to open the invoice setup form. The first thing you need to fill out is the profile name. Choose something descriptive like monthly maintenance or subscription fee so you can easily identify it in your records later. Select your customer from the drop-down menu and then move to the Repeat Every section. Here, you define the frequency of your billing. For most service businesses, setting this to 1 month is standard, but you can customize it to fit your specific agreement. For the start date, choose the date when you want the very first invoice to trigger. In the Ends On section, you can select Never Expire if it is an ongoing contract, or you can choose a specific date to stop the billing. If you have a payment gateway linked to your account, you will see an option for auto charge. Checking this box allows Zoho to automatically pull payment from the customer card on file, which is a massive time saver. Next, proceed to the Item Details section. Simply add the services or products you are billing for and ensure the quantity and pricing are correct. Once you have filled in all the details, you have 2 options for the final action. You can select Create and Send to have Zoho automatically email the invoice to your client, or you can select Create as Draft to review it manually before it hits their inbox. Once you are confident with your settings, click the Save button. And there you have it. You have successfully automated your recurring sales invoices. This setup will now run in the background without any further manual intervention from you. If this tutorial helped you get organized, please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more Zoho Book software guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.